Hello, little friends. The sun is rising. It is a brand new morning. Let us sing our morning song together. Are you ready? Let us go!
The sun is rising up, 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 up. The sky turns golden bright, 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 bright. Good morning, beautiful sun. It is time to wake up now. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Birds are waking up, 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 up. They sing their morning song, 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 song. Tweet, 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 little birds. Good morning, beautiful birds. Good morning. Wash your face, friends, face, face, face. Wake up your sleepy eyes, 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 eyes. Fresh, clean morning water, water, water. Good morning to you all. Good morning. Grandma is cooking breakfast. Breakfast, breakfast, breakfast. Smells so good this morning. Good, good, good. Come and eat my little one, 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 one. Good morning, time to eat. Good morning. The flowers are opening up, 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 up. They smell so sweet this morning, 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 morning. Red and yellow and orange, bright, 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 bright. Good morning, beautiful flowers. Good morning. Dance in the morning, 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 morning. Clap your hands with Amara, clap, clap, clap. Spin around and smile, big smile, smile, smile. Good morning is the best time. The rooster is crow, crow, crow. The goats are stretching wide, wide. The chickens are walking all around, around. Good morning.
Good morning to my neighbors, 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 neighbors. Good morning to my friends, 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 friends. Good morning to my village, village, a village, village. What a beautiful morning, beautiful morning.
Good morning, Grandma, Grandma, Grandma. Good morning, my child, my child, my child. We thank God for this morning, morning, morning. What a beautiful new day, beautiful day.
Let us sing our morning words together, friends. Sun rising up, birds waking up, flowers opening up. Say it with me, friends. Sun, birds, flowers. Good morning! And now, friends, wash your face, eat your breakfast, dance and sing. Say it with me. Wash your face, eat your breakfast, dance and sing. Good morning, friends. Good morning! Thank you, friends. You did so well. Please subscribe. Come back soon. We love you. What is your favorite part of the morning? See you next time.